Alright. The genre about sleepy tunes or pretending to study, and definitely not doom-scrolling playlists and shitty memes on Instagram.
Robert, they took my 2014 Nissan Pathfinder and sold it to the Costa Rican government.
Well, today I'm going to show you how it's done. Oh, well, I guess I should. Hey, it's me, Kiyoya. I'm a low-end, nobody lo-fi artist, so I think I have a fair understanding of how this genre works and how to harness the power of procrastinating studying some lo-fi. Anyway, let's get into it. Now, a lot of new producers think that in order to have good sound design, you have to have stuff like Nexus or Serum or some other expensive software. Well, I use none of that for my music, quite frankly. You don't need it. All you need is a degree in audio engineering.
Oh my god, he on X Games mode.
Flex is honestly the best plugin that FL Studio has, and it's really not close. I mean, it takes like 2 seconds to get a halfway decent sound from it. Plus, most of the lo-fi-ness comes from Now here you really don't need to reinvent the wheel. Just slap down a chord for every bar and you'll get something like this. And if you don't know how to make a chord progression, just put some notes down that sound nice. Or, you know, use that little cheat code thing right here. Cool, now we have a basic little progression down. And yeah, that's lo-fi. Now let's get into the melody. Again, let's not reinvent the wheel here. We're just gonna clone the piano we used for the chords and we'll slap down a little melody. See, it's not that hard. I believe in you. Let's lo-fi this melody up too. Bang, cool. Now drums. Keep it simple. It's only hard if you make it hard. I'm not gonna make the joke. Sicko. Drums, in my opinion, really make a lo-fi song. This is where you can have some fun and add some cool little perks. Like, and.
Sensational.
Now we can't just have this loop play for 2 minutes and expect people to love it. So let's add some variation. I think the song needs like a chorus or like a pulled back section. So I'm going to take that original loop we had, clone it, and delete all of our hard work. But we'll just throw another one in its place. Oh, and get rid of these drums too. And now bang, we have a little laid back middle section. Now that we have enough variation in the song, let's do the most complicated part. You know, I really think the bit's done. Anyways, here's the structure. Really nothing too flashy. I mean, people are supposed to be sleeping to this after all. Now we really get to make this thing lo-fi with some next level additions. We're gonna take this little open hat and wha-pow! Now it's transitioned for us. Now we could be lazy and throw some isotope vinyl on the pianos and it would sound pretty good, but let's do a little more. I'm gonna use these vinyl sound bites I got from a free pack from Reddit. Now we got ourselves a lo-fi track, and I only cried for 20 minutes making it. Only one more thing to do. Throw a little animated loop on it and call it a day. My name is Kiyoya. Please consider subscribing and following me on Spotify. Enjoy.